Welcome. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the steps to allow site background sync permission on Google Chrome for your PC. This feature is essential for enhancing your browsing experience, enabling websites to send and receive data even when they are not actively open. Let's dive into the process. First, open your Chrome browser. If you haven't already, locate the Chrome icon on your desktop or taskbar and double-click it to launch the browser. Next, navigate to the site you want to enable background sync for. Enter the website's URL in the address bar and press Enter. Wait for the page to load completely. Once the site is open, look to the left of the web address in the address bar. You will see an icon representing the site's information. Click on this icon to view site information. This action will reveal details about the site's permissions and settings. Now, select Site Settings from the drop-down menu that appears. This will take you to a new page where you can manage various permissions related to that specific site. On the Site Settings page, scroll down until you find Background Sync. This option controls whether the site can continue syncing data in the background. Click on it to open its settings. Finally, next to Background Sync, you will see an option that says Allow. Click on this option to enable background sync for this site. Once you've done this, your browser is now set up to allow background syncing for that specific website. Congratulations! You have successfully allowed background sync permission on Google Chrome for your chosen site. This means that even if you close the tab or navigate away, Chrome can still manage data transfers in the background, ensuring a smoother experience when you return to the site. If you found this guide helpful, consider liking this video and subscribing for more tips on optimizing your browsing experience. Thank you for watching, and enjoy seamless browsing with background sync.